we very much envision some of our customers having a hard time convincing stakeholders to, hey, why would you go with Finite State? Well, when we start considering some of the things that we can help you with and some of our expertise, our team members yeah, really have some depth of knowledge in the field. If we think about some of our team members, they've been counsel to various U.S. government administrations in the cyber realm. We have folks that have done, very deep testing into ICS, OT type of networks and had various inputs into those network designs. They've done product development into IoT type of products, and even those into testing and understanding a lot of geopolitical type of environments between both software and hardware supply chain folks. We've got those experts in house.